video, guys. We're gonna do the Taboo today, the Fox Body Taboo, and I'm gonna let you be the judge. We're gonna compare two things. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting, so let's go. All right, so we're doing a poll. What do you think it's gonna look like, Alex?
What's that?
What do you think it's gonna look like?
The tire?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Ken, what do you think? Hot or no?
I think it's gonna look good if it fits.
Yeah.
Amazing. It's gonna be amazing.
You think it's gonna be amazing?
It's amazing, amazing.
Amazing, amazing. What do y'all think?
It's gonna be tight, but I think it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle. It don't matter to me.
All right, so let's go ahead and explain what we're doing here. All right, boys. So we for video purposes, huge shout out to Chris for bringing out his RTSs. Chris, can you believe we're doing this?
See, I didn't think you were serious at first, but I'm like, this thing might look good.
I know. So let's do this. Let's put my front runner on first, just for comparison's sake, and then we're gonna try a 20-inch front runner.
That's it.
Skinny. This is off of Chris's S550, but I'm very curious. All right, let's throw mine on first, and then we'll draw the 20 on. All right. Put her on the ground here, see how she looks. Oh yeah, not bad at all. They only been sitting a year and a half. They probably used some air.
Only?
But yeah, looks good. Let's get back here a little bit.
I don't know.
Not bad.
I'm looking right now. I think they're gonna clear.
I guess we should find out.
Let's find out.
All right, here we go. Let's we're doing the Taboo today, Chris. I don't know, man. Dude, I don't know.
Front and back. I don't see it.
You see, I done broke. Hey, look at I done broke.
I'm already thinking I like this. Is that bad?
Nope.
We're gonna make a donk fox body.
Oh God, here you go. No, but I might. It's gonna be tight.
Is that gonna work?
Yeah, it's gonna be tight.
Oh yeah.
They're race wheels.
Oh, yeah. All right. I'm gonna straighten the wheel up too.
All right.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, son.
It's touching.
Okay, before we show on camera, what do you think? That's a lot of wheel.
The bad thing is, if you could shove it back a ½ inch,
Yeah.
it'd be fine.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Let's show it off. All right, full reveal. Damn. Dude, compared to the 17. All right, so there you go. There's a straight on. Now, technically, you could put a smaller tire on it.
Yeah, that's a 20/7. So technically, you could honestly probably run like a. So that's a 215/45. You drop down to a 205/40.
Yeah.
It'd be a little stretched, but it'd work.
Yeah, because we're literally on the bumper there. Let's see if we can get another angle here. All right, we need to get the crew out here, see what they think.
It looks good.
It looks. Let me back up. Let's back up a little bit
It
here.
does look good. It's just that clearance ain't there.
Woo!
Oh, that's perfect.
Number's like perfect.
Just get the saws off.
Yeah. Obviously, I don't know, Ken. Thoughts? I don't hate it. We definitely need less tire.
Yeah, it's gonna rub.
It's
That's already rubbing.
that's a big wheel. For
That's a
that car.
big wheel.
That's a lot of wheel for a drag wheel on a Fox.
Yeah. Okay, so in your opinion, Ken, is the wheel too big? If the tire was shorter.
Well, the tire was shorter in one. I mean, for the front runner. I mean,
But is it too big?
yeah, it's too big for that car. I mean, people might say different, but it's too big. You can go with it. That's a 28-inch tall tire. You can go with a 26-inch tall tire, but there with it being 20-inch wheel, you're taking a tire and you're making it a lot smaller. It's gonna ride like shit and or poop or I mean, anyway, I would go with a 17 with a 26-inch tall tire.
Yeah, which is
maybe an 8. I mean, he could technically do an 18.
I mean, you could do an 18.
You could do
with
an
26.
18.
You
I don't.
could do
I don't.
18 with a 26.
18 wouldn't be so drastic.
No,
Correct.
but for me, the whole reason behind drag wheels is to make them lighter.
Right.
So I would say it's put a smaller 17.
I'm trying to imagine like if because we don't have the car sitting perfectly level, which I'd like it to be, but if the car was like if we were able to lower it, get the stance right, would it still look as funky as it does? I don't know. It's a big freaking wheel, but also
Well, you'd have to change the caster because right now you're too far forward.
Yeah, we're way up.
So,
But
I mean, I wouldn't run that big of a wheel
yeah,
on here. I mean, it'd be different if it was a street wheel.
yeah,
But you're going to have to go, I mean, you could run that wheel, but you're going to have to go with a smaller tire.
yeah, definitely.
Or you're going to have to lift the car up.
Yeah. All right, so bring the 17 back over.
So this is a 17.
So like you were saying,
Yeah, 26-inch tall tire is a 26-inch tall tire. It
Right.
doesn't matter if you're running a 17, 18, or 19-inch
Inch
or whatever.
wheel.
If the overall diameter on the tire is 26 inches, it doesn't matter the wheel. You just have
Right.
less sidewall, right?
right?
So you
Mine
can
are
run a
26s.
26, but you're going to have less sidewall, and like I said, and that's not, it's okay, but the less sidewall you have, it doesn't ride real good. But if I don't know if are you talking about your setup on your Fox?
No, we're not talking about that.
No. Never mind. But a 26-inch tall tire will fit.
Yeah.
So you can do a 26-inch tall tire on a 20-inch wheel, but I would drop down to an 18 or a 17 and go 26 if you want more wheel. That's personally for me. That's what I would run.
My personal opinion, and I'll get yours. It's a little much. It's a little too much wheel
For this car.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I look at it, it just doesn't look proportioned right. Of course,
Right.
I'm old school.
Right.
I'm used to the 15-inch wheels. On
Yeah,
the car.
exactly.
So I'm old school, So
Chris, what do you think? Too much wheel?
Too much wheel. I mean, it looks wise, it looks killer on there, but
now,
it's too much
if
wheel.
if it was a street wheel
Yeah.
and it was a different design, I would say maybe. But like, I don't know if it's me just knowing it's a drag wheel.
Yeah.
And knowing that it just something about the proportion just throws it off.
But the S550 offsets are
Perfect.
pretty freak. Like that really looks like it's probably the same as like a New Edge offset
It
because it
basically
pushes
is.
them out.
It
But
basically is.
Yeah.
but man, that does that looks good from the side. But it is a lot of wheel.
But 28 ain't gonna fit.
Nah.
You need a 26.
No, not
I mean,
even
hey.
close. All right, guys. So there you go. I don't know. Yes, it's always good to change things up, do stuff different, push the envelope a little bit. Is the envelope pushed too far with a 20-inch skinny drag wheel on the front of your Fox body? I don't know. That's up to you. I'll say this in closing. The wheel itself didn't look good. Didn't look bad, excuse me. I feel like if the car was on a nice level surface, the car was lowered down and it had less tire on it because that was a almost 28-inch tall tire, I think I might have thought a little differently. But for me at this point, it's a little too much wheel. There you go. Drop me a comment below. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence a little bit, but I think it was cool to try that out and just see what it looked like. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.